How to permanently delete your YouTube account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can permanently delete your YouTube account. For this, you want to open up the YouTube app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to delete your YouTube account but do not want to delete your Google account, then follow these steps. The first thing you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the Google account option. Once you're here, tap on Data and Privacy. Now tap on Data from apps and services you use. Here, tap on Content saved from Google services. Now tap on Delete a service option. Then tap on Delete a service again. Now you want to tap on the trash icon next to YouTube. Now tap on I want to permanently delete my content option. Now you want to check both of these boxes, then tap on Delete My Content option. Here you want to enter your channel name and then tap on the Delete My Content option. Once you tap on that, your content will be successfully deleted along with your YouTube channel. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.